Look. See how it
That's
says?
good enough.
No, it's not. You see how it says 1, 2. Did you see how I did that? 1, 2.
Yeah.
Do it.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Go.
Why?
Do the first line, 1 all the way down. Then go back up to the top. Do your curve. There you go. Turn the page.
Easy. There we go. See.
No. I want to take this stroke all the way down the middle. Go from the middle. 1, 2. All the way. There you go. Good job. Serious. K. Where's K? Where's the letter K? Good job. Where is the letter U? Where's U?
You.
Where's U?
Right here.
Good job. Where is the letter H? Where's H?
H. Oh, he getting ahead of me. H.
Where is the letter E?
I already did it, so. I'm not gonna. E.
Where is the letter P? Where's P?
No. Yeah.
Uranus. Neptune.
No. Oh yeah. The sun is literally
Jupiter.
my face. The sun is literally my face.
Jupiter. Mercury. Mars.
Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. No, don't. Let's go crazy.
Saturn. And Venus.
Let's go crazy.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm done.
What are you doing over here?
I'm trying to make the sun face.
You making a sun? Are you making your own solar system?
I got some obsidian, some, I don't know, lava.
Oh, you're gonna do like little scrapes in the sun?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't
This
wait to
one is too big.
Can't wait to see it when it's done.
Oh, it's gonna look crazy, bro. It's Single Sky, and we are talking about the planets.
The solar system, right?
The solar system, yeah. And we got the sun, the biggest and brightest, and the biggest and brightest star.
So what he's doing is making his own solar system.
Mm-hmm. And that's a semicircle. I don't know why, but I just think of it that way. And that seems like enough.
All right, that's the sun. Moving on.
Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. That's all I know. And that's literally it is. Oh, there, yeah. All right, we got Venus.
What's so special about Venus?
It's the hottest planet in the solar system.
Are you sure? I thought Mars was.
The two hottest and beautiful.
Okay.
Or should I say? Hot means beautiful, so. And now Earth. Earth is the world that we live on. I wish I could live on the moon, man. That's because Earth. Tornadoes, earthquakes, everything about it is dangerous. And now we got Mars. It's the second hottest planet.
It's also the red one, right?
Yeah. like Spider-Man's face. And then we got wait. And then we got oh, Jupiter. And Jupiter has a storm. That's the big red dot. It's cloudy over there. And then we got Saturn.
Are we gonna have enough room?
I don't think so. I might.
Which one is that one?
That's Uranus.
What's so cool about Uranus?
That it has a ring.
But the ring, is the ring the same direction as Saturn?
Yep.
I thought Uranus sits sideways.
Yes, it does. You're just making me even madder.
Nervous. Why don't you do it up here?
Yeah, that's true. Now I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of glue.
And which one is that one?
That is. Let me think, okay, guys? Don't rush me. My turn.
All right.
And that's the end.
Right here.
That's the end. That's the end of the solar system. Now let me glue you. Peace. In our room. Yo, you see it?
All right. And then now we're gonna move it to what's that?
Mars. It's Mars.
What's that, Sirius?
Yo, look, it's Mars.
No, that one's Mars.
This is not clickbait. This is not clickbait. This is not clickbait.
What's that one, Cisco?
Oh, that's Jupiter. My favorite.
Calm down.
Jupiter's my
Tell me a
favorite.
fun fact about Jupiter.
Biggest planet. The biggest planet, and it has a red star, which is a storm.
What's that
Oh, that's Venus. Venus is the second hottest planet.
one? Okay.
Saturn.
Calm down, Sirius. What planet is your favorite, Sirius?
Mine is Jupiter. Mine is Jupiter.
What's your favorite planet?
Jupiter.
Saturn. What's that?
That's us.
What is Earth? What's that? What is that one called?
Earth.
Good job. Alright, move your hand. And what's that?
That's Neptune.
And then we
This is
got
not clickbait, bro.
your mom brought the planets to the room. What's that?
Uranus. And then try out the Milky Way stuff. Try out the blue one.
And back to Mercury. Did you guys like that?
Mm-hmm.
And what are all these planets? What do they make up?
They make up
What system are they in?
the solar system.
Good job, guys.